Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'd like to discuss about the Realme GT mobile phone. Is it worth of waiting the Realme GT phone or should you buy the iQOO 7 device? That is what the topic I'm going to discuss in this entire video. If you are in that kind of state of confusion, so try to watch the video till end of the video, friends. Don't try to skip any part because I'll be trying to inform you each and every small details about the both phones. What are the things to know as well? So first key thing important is that are you in a hurry to buy the mobile phone or can you wait till October? That is what the rumors are going on. The Realme GT will be launching around Diwali, that kind of time. So that is what a lot of users are thinking, to buy the alternate mobile phones coming up with the iQOO 7 or maybe the MI next to other smartphones. But most of the people, they are really confused between these two smartphones. So if you're in a hurry to buy the smartphone exactly right now, then definitely you can buy absolutely the best, which is the iQOO 7 device. So on which I already uploaded more than close to 282 videos on the single phone on this iQOO 7 device. So it's my kind of record of all time in the short time uploading this many videos. So I do know completely about the iQOO 7 device. You can definitely buy this phone. But if in case if you want to wait till Diwali, what will be the price of the Realme GT? And is it worth of waiting for this Realme GT or not? So one thing you need to remember, friends, the Realme GT will be coming with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So with the Snapdragon 888, the price of this phone is going to be really higher than the Snapdragon 870 chipset. That is quite normal. Exactly. Even the phone get launched now or maybe in the Diwali, so definitely the price will be absolutely more than the iQOO 7's phone. Unless by some chance, if the miracle happens, if they decide to launch the price close to this kind of phone, then we can discuss. But right now, so definitely, friends, the Snapdragon 888 price will be more. And next thing is that right now you can get the iQOO 7 device for about 31,999 rupees. And if you do some kind of bank discount cards and all those details, if you try to use particular thing, you can get the phone for about close to, I think, 30,000 right now. So for 30,000, and Realme GT will be about close to 34,000 or 33,000. So there's a 3,000-4,000 difference is there. But what you're getting in the 3,000-4,000 difference is one thing is changed, which is a processor. So everything, rest of the things, all the things, you don't need to worry at all, friends. Everything it's gonna be equal except the connectivity. That is another topic which is a really strange topic, which is a connectivity problem. So apart from that, the performance is the only one which will be kind of different within these two phones. So now the question is that, are you a heavy user or a heavy gamer user, or you want to use a mobile phone for the next few years? Then definitely you can prefer the Snapdragon 888 chipset. But the performance of this Snapdragon 870 which is present in this phone is also really very impressive, friends. Yes, friends, it's really great. I did plenty of processor speed test comparison as well. Recently I did do the comparison with the Mi11X, which is the Snapdragon triplet processor. You can check these videos, friends, which I did the speed test comparison. So in that speed test I did find out that the Snapdragon 870 which is present in the iQOO 7 device, which is also kind of close to performance with the Snapdragon 888. So slightly close, but not that much, but slightly close. But with the Snapdragon 888 chipset, you will get slightly two disadvantages. First is the temperature will increase, and next the battery will be draining if they are not got optimized in the smartphone. That is a few problems which a lot of users are definitely experience with the Snapdragon 888 processor. So you need to be ready with this kind of all the problems which you will be facing with the Snapdragon 888, but definitely you will get the slightly above performance when compared with the Snapdragon 870. So apart from this processor, there's another one key thing, which is the UI. Some people, they do love the Realme UI, some people they do love the Fun Touch UI. There's nothing wrong in them. So definitely it's people's opinion which phone they like and which UI they like. So definitely, friends, even if that matters to you, definitely you can wait for the Realme GT. Absolutely, there is no problem. And if you're a kind of person who is completely new to this both UIs, for those kind of users, I can give you one quick advice. So this is my first time using with the Fun Touch UI as well myself. I did not use any kind of smartphone before. Only the iQOO 7 is the first phone which I'm using the Fun Touch UI. And the Realme UI, I did use plenty of phones for the past 2 years. I did have a very good experience with the Realme UI in getting the software updates, in getting the Android updates. So there's no issues. I can definitely guarantee you in the Realme UI for the next maybe 3 to 4 years, maybe 2 to 4 years, something like that. So apart from the updates, so remaining features, tips, what the both UIs can be added is completely different. But regarding the software updates, I can definitely guarantee you on the Realme UI completely. But I think even the Fun Touch UI also can be kind of slightly good, but I'm not sure. As I said, I did not use these phones for the more time to judge what is happening. So maybe if I buy the previously iQOO 3, maybe I will be able to judge it now, but I did not buy the iQOO 3, unfortunately. But maybe next year I will be able to judge by the time. But right now, this is a situation you need to worry only about the processor, and next thing you need to worry about the UI. Are you ready to use the Fun Touch to be have fun, or are you ready to use the Realme UI? So meanwhile, if you want to watch complete review of my iQOO 7 device usage, try to search in the YouTube iQOO 7 using after Site Guru. You can find all my videos which I did each and every detail, friends. 7 days, 20 days, 30 days, 25 days, each and every particular thing I did upload, as you can see clearly. So try to watch those videos. You will get complete clear idea about the phone, whether to buy this phone or not right now, the iQOO 7 device. So yes, I do agree there comes some kind of disadvantages with this phone going on, which you should be able to know. So which is the connectivity. Next is a green tint problem and screen flickering problem. Green tint and screen flickering problem cannot be happening in every unit, and the connectivity problem can be found maybe depending upon the location. So if you're not in the rural area, if you're in the major metropolitan city, you don't need to worry at all. But the connectivity wise, slightly disadvantage I'm getting, because in some locations I'm not getting the 4G place, but I was able to get 4G place in other phones. For example, in the OnePlus Nord, I was able to get 4 bands in this location using the Geo SIM card. But in this iQOO 7 device, I was able to get only one without even 4G place. So try to check this video which I uploaded recently. You will get a clear idea. So there's a couple of disadvantages which you should know before actually moving and taking a step and buying this iQOO 7 as well. So in terms of the Realme GT, I'm not sure whether, because I did not use the Realme GT at all, so I'm not sure what are the other problems we'll be facing with the Realme GT. But so far, with my experience with the Realme X1 Max, so Realme X1 Max and Realme GT are slightly close to each other except the processor. So I'm expecting slightly good performance and good usage will be there with the Realme GT smartphone. So which even I am also interested, really eager to buy the Realme GT, so that I can do the plenty of comparisons and plenty of reviews with the other smartphones as well. So even in terms of the camera also, you don't find much kind of difference, because right now I do have the Realme X1 Max, which has got the same specifications as the Realme GT only. So in terms of the camera, both are kind of close to each other, so there's nothing much difference you can actually observe. So there's slightly night mode is advantage in the iQOO 7 device, which I particularly like, and stabilization is really good in this smartphone. And the Realme X1 Max has got slightly good main camera lens, which can actually capture really good images. That is what I did like. Saturation and the contrast level is slightly good. So friends, the final conclusion is that only few things matters. First is the price. What will be the Realme GT's price will be there, and what type of user you are. Are you a heavy user, or you are okay with this kind of Snapdragon? Yes friends, Snapdragon 870 is also really good for the heavy users, so you should not be worried. It's like buying a bike with the 200 kilometers per hour speed, and next bike is a 220 hours per kilometer speed. So it's that much of difference will it be there between these both phones. This is a kind of example I can give you right now at the moment, which I got just now. So if your roads are not capable to go in that kind of speeds, then what's the point of buying? Same way, if you're not that kind of heavy user, there's no point in buying this high-end high performance smartphone. So you should know what type of usage you are. And finally, regarding the price thing, so regarding the price, I'm really confused. I think the Realme GT can launch, I think, close to 33,000 or 32,000, maybe 34,000. That is what I was expecting, 32 to 34. So maybe because the phone is getting launched in the Diwali, so that will be for the next few months. So for the next few months, if that's the case, if it's launching for the next few months, then by the time maybe the cost maybe come down, I think so. That is what I'm expecting, because the competition will increase even in that range. We might get even the iQOO 8 as well maybe. So we may not show maybe iQOO 7 Pro as well. So that is what I'm expecting. Depending on the competition, the price will be vary on the Realme GT. Even I cannot come into the conclusion, friends. So overall, I did buy the iQOO 7 luckily for the, I think, 27,000. So it was really decent price for this phone, I would definitely say, at the time of early bird sale. So this is the final conclusion, friends. It's up to you to decide whether to wait or not. But in my opinion, if I am in a hurry, I will definitely buy the iQOO 7 device. If I am not in a hurry, I'll definitely wait for the Realme GT if I am kind of a heavy user. If I am normal user and gaming point of view, then definitely I can buy the iQOO 7. So you try to know all the disadvantages about this phone before actually buying the device. So don't buy blindly, friends, or blindly. So try to watch all the videos and decide which phone to buy. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to comment below what are your thoughts. These are my complete thoughts which I thought of giving you and explaining you to everyone, because I did get plenty of comments. I was unable to reply each and every comment, so I thought of making a video for everyone else. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.